guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your header logo in WordPress in just a few simple steps. Let's begin. First, go to the WordPress homepage, click on Login, and choose Continue with Google so you can easily access your dashboard. From there, I want you to click on Edit Site over here so you can access your site editor where you can easily customize your websites. Then click on your current logo on the header. So for example, if you don't have any logo yet, it will show something like this. Just simply hover on it, click on it, and you should be able to choose over here, choose logo or replace logo. Okay. Then click on Open Media Library or Upload. So you'll choose the media library for this uh, video. Then carefully select the image you would like to use as your logo in your website, right? Click Select, and it will automatically be applied on your header. As you can see, it is now reflecting. Then all you have to do is click on Save Changes over here so your update goes live. And that's it. You have now successfully updated your header logo in WordPress. I hope you found this video very helpful.